So here is question number 41, everyone, which is assertion reason type question. Option 1 is given. If both assertion and reason are true and explanation is also true, then we have to pick option number 1. If A and R both are true but explanation is not correct, then option number 2. If A is true and reason is false, option number 3. And if both assertion and reasons are false, then option number 4 we have to mark. So question number 41, everyone. Assertion: a function is defined as y equals a sine omega t, where omega is the angular frequency. The frequency of dy by dt square is 2 omega. Let us check it. Dy by dt is equal to a omega cos omega t. But we have to talk about dy by dt whole square. So it becomes a omega cos omega t whole square, a square omega square. Cos square omega t can be written as 1 plus cos 2 omega t divided by 2. It means the frequency of dy by dt whole square expression has 2 omega. Assertion is true. Reason, let's talk about. Y equals a sine omega t can be positive, can be negative, can be 0. Definitely true. But dy by dt whole square is always non-negative. Definitely this particular thing is the whole square. We have whole square of something and whole square will always be positive. It will be non-negative always. So A is true, R is true, but there is no relation between them. So that's why we will go with option number 2. A correct, R correct, but no relation. Move on to the next, that is 42 number. Here is question number 42, everyone. Assertion: in streamline flow of liquid, the Reynolds number used to characterize the flow. So the question talks about Reynolds number. First of all, we know very well Reynolds number is a pure dimensionless number which is used to characterize the flow of liquid. It means option number 1 is correct, means assertion is correct. Reynolds number is dimensionless constant, also correct. They are correct, but there is no relation between them. So that's why we will go with option number 2. Assertion correct, reason correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Now move on to the next, that is 43 number. So here is question number 43, everyone. Assertion: the angular momentum of planet about sun remains constant. Yes, this is true. If this is the elliptical orbit of any planet having sun right here, and this is the planet P, sun S, so its angular momentum will be constant everywhere about sun. L will be constant everywhere. We know very well that tau equals what? Rate of change of angular momentum with respect to time. If angular momentum is constant, then net torque will be what? 0. So that's why reason is also correct and explanation is correct. So we will go with option number 1. Now move on to the next, that is 44 number. So here is question number 44, everyone. The total translational kinetic energy of all molecules of given mass of an ideal gas is given by 5/2 PV. Okay, let us check it. We know very well that translational degree of freedom is given by what? 3. And with each degree of freedom we have the energy associated nRT divided by 2. And if there are 3 degrees of freedom, so the total kinetic energy translational can be written as 3 nRT divided by 2. nRT is what? PV. So we can write 3/2 PV. But here it is 5/2 PV. Assertion goes wrong. A is wrong. Reason: the molecule of gas collide with each other, hence the speed of molecule increases. The speed of molecule increases due to increase in temperature, as Vrms is directly proportional to under root absolute temperature. So reason is also false. We can go with option number 4. Move on to the next, that is 45 number. So here is question number 45, everyone. Assertion: electric field can be used to speed up charged particle. Definitely, if a charged particle, whether is it at rest or it is in motion, if it is kept in electric field, then it will experience an electric force, and the force will definitely accelerate the charged particle. Assertion goes right. Reason: magnetic field can accelerate a charged particle. Yes, if a charged particle is moving in a direction making angle theta with magnetic field, then a magnetic force Fm acts, which is given by Q V cross B. So it definitely can accelerate the charged particle. So reason is also true, but there is no interlinking between them, there is no relation between them. So we can go with option number 2 for 45 number. Move on to the next, that is 46 number.